Oh, and the chain. And then everything from Michael's. Cute, cute, cute. Let's see what we can do. This one is so cute. Okay, I have a little tea. This little blue gem. I have a teddy bear with the red little bow. Anyway, cherries, pearl, portrait. Then I got this diamond. It's actually like red on the other side, but I wanted it to just be the silver. Then I got this little locket. It actually opens. This little book. I got a little cowboy boot, seashell, heart, bee, and then this one says Aries, in black writing. And the other side it said, it was, I mean, it's just the Aries, like, what is that called? Whatever. So yeah, let's see how we do. I was debating on either the teddy bear or this silver, but I mean, honestly, either or would work. But I feel like there's too much silver going on over here. Like, there's 3 in a row. 4. This would have been the 4th in a row. So I think, and I like how this one will hang longer. So that's why I figured do that. But dang, now that I'm looking at it, I wonder if like the silver one goes. I don't know. Or should I switch them so it's not completely silver and gold? Let's see. Oh. Yeah, because then there's gold, gold, silver, silver, gold. Gold, silver, gold, silver, silver. I feel like that might go better, honestly. I don't know. I mean, I can always change them, but okay, I actually think I like that better. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's go. Get started. Okay, let's take a photo. Okay. Oh, this was my inspo too. This girl on Instagram I follow. That's her name. Bonnie Trava. Oh my gosh. Bonite Travo. So yeah, this is her inspo. I'm trying to see. Are there like, is she using, I mean, she didn't do it, but did she do the big ones or the small ones? Let me see. I can't tell. I'm gonna go with the big ones because I think that should be easier. Let's see. This is the middle. Middle. Maybe here. Yeah, let's try here. Okay. Let's see. I think I need to put glasses on. Okay, that was easy. Push it together. I got one. Is that too low? That was actually really easy. Okay. But I'm like, do I need to put it up higher? I don't know. I hope you can hear me. I feel like that. Yeah, let's just do that. And I'll do every 2. That's 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's too many. So maybe do every 3. Is that what I want to do? Yeah. Okay. We'll do every 3. So we'll open it. Put it through here. So we're doing this one? I think this one. Or should I do 4? 1, 2. Hold on. 1. No, this is 2. That's 3. That's 4. Let's try every 2 in between. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. I hope this is good because I don't want to have to redo these. Okay, a tip that I'm going to give is to make sure you center it because I literally did not do that. I don't know why I didn't do that. So I'm like, should I take them all off? Because look how much space is here compared to here, like it's double the amount of space. So I think it would be easier to take some of these off instead of like redoing this. So that's what I'm gonna do. Is it like clipped up a little sooner? I like that, right? I think I like this. This is super cute. I like it. This is so cute. I'm excited. Now I need like other ones to layer because this one is too long. This one is too long, or maybe I can just clip it up more. Also, let me take it out so you guys can actually see the full thing. So now I need to make a couple more, or yeah, because I want the layered effect. Okay, can I layer? Oh, there we go. Hold it from here. Okay. That's what it looks like. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I literally made that in 20 minutes. It's so cute. Oh my god, this would have been cute in my outfit yesterday. This with a little bikini or a little bathing suit. Yeah, go make this right now, y'all. Hold on, let's count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 10. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we'll do 5 and then, no, 6 over here, then 5 over here, because this one has a little extra. So I need to take 6 off. So starting here, wait, no, this is gonna have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this last 6 I'll take off, and maybe I'll put it on that side. Yeah, that's what we'll do. So this last 6 is what we'll take off. I'm gonna take these off. Where do they? I think you can take these off. I hope so. I hope it doesn't mess up the chain. Ugh. I just hope I'm able to close it right. Oh, I can't open these, y'all. I can't open them. I mean, I guess that's good. Okay, let me not. It seems like yeah. I don't like it. I have to redo this all over. Another tip is to make sure you put them, like make sure the chain is like flat, so it's not all wonky. Make sure you're putting the little circle pieces at the same point, like don't put one at the bottom of the chain and then put another one at the top, like don't, connect them all the same. I don't know if I did that the first time. I think I was just putting it on, so yeah. that's how it turned out. I love it. I can't wait to wear it. And I'm tired and hungry. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.